Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. My name is Randy Julian Panjaitan. Today, I would like to present my career plan as an engineering graduate. In this presentation, I will explain my background, my preparation for my career, my experience, and my 5-year career plan. Next, I will talking about table of content. First, I will talking about myself, and next, my plan after graduate, and next, how I prepare myself for my career plan, and next, I will talking about some experience that supporting my career plan, and next, strength and weakness, problem solving experience, and the last is my 5-year career plan. My name is Randy Julian Panjaitan. I come from Kisaran, North Sumatra, and I study at Polytechnic Industri Admi Cikarang, majoring in industrial management. I am particularly interested in production planning and inventory control because this field plays an important role in ensuring efficiency in manufacturing operations. Now, I will explain about my plan after graduate. After graduation, I want to work in the PPIC field at PT Pratama Abadi Industri. I am interested in PPIC because it is focused on production planning and inventory control to support efficient manufacturing. I also want to apply to PT Pratama Abadi Industri because it is a large manufacturing company with a structured production system where I can learn and develop my skill. How I prepare myself for my career plan. To prepare myself for this career plan, I focus on strengthening my understanding of core subjects related to production planning, inventory control, and cost calculation. I also continuously develop my soft skills such as discipline, teamwork, communication, and responsibility. Experience supporting my career plan. My career plan is supported by several academic and practical experience during my studies. This experience helped me apply theoretical knowledge to real case studies related to production planning and inventory management. One of my experience was creating a product delivery schedule. Through this activity, I learned how to plan delivery timelines, coordinate production output, and ensure customer demand could be fulfilled on time. Another experience was creating a safety stock plan. This activity trained me to analyze demand variable and determine optimal inventory levels to prevent stock shortages. During my studies, I also gained experience in calculating the cost of goods sold. This experience helped me understand production costs, components, and how cost calculation support planning and decision making in manufacturing. Now I will talking about my strength, and I will separate it to two parts: is my hard skill and my soft skill. First, I will talking about my hard skills. There are two hard skills that I have. First, supply chain management, and the second is Microsoft Office. Next, I will talking about my soft skills that I have. I have some soft skills. They are public speaking, interpersonal communication, teamwork, and the last is leadership. Now I want to tell you a case that I have done during my studies. I will tell it using STAR method. First, situation. In my previous practical activities and academic project, I often work in team-based environments. Task. I was responsible for coordinating with team members to ensure tasks were complete accurately and on time. Action. I use my strong interpersonal communication skills to maintain clear, respectful, and effective communication. And the last is the result. As a result, teamwork become more efficient, tasks were complete with fewer errors, and group coordination ran smoothly. Next, I will tell you about my weakness with a case that I ever done during my studies. I will use STAR method too. First situation, in group projects and practical activities, I sometimes found myself taking on additional tasks and tasks. This happened because I often felt reluctant to decline requests or express my opinions. And the action, I began working on this by setting clear boundaries, prioritizing tasks, and communicating more openly about my workload. And the last is the result. As a result, I become more balanced in managing responsibilities while still being responsive. Now I will talking about problem solving experience that I have done during my studies. But first I will talking about the case. One of my problem solving experience occurred during a practical examination. My group and I were assigned to create a product using recycled plastic raw materials. However, the product time exceeded the planned schedule, which increased machine rental and operator wage costs and raised the cost of goods sold. Now I will talking about the solution from the case. To solve this issue, I create a detailed production time estimation to prevent time overruns. I also include a revised cost estimation with a significantly lower project cost. This estimation is expected to be used a reference for future production. Now, I will explain about my 5-year career plan. In year 1, I will focus on completing my undergraduate studies and actively seeking job opportunities in the PPIC field. In year 2, I will plan to continue working while pursuing future education through a work and study program. In year 3, I will maintain my professional role while completing my remaining academic requirements. In year 4, my primary target is to successfully complete and graduate from my studies. And the last is in year 5, I want to strengthen my professional role by taking on greater responsibilities and contributing to production planning improvements. And last, I have some reflection for two questions. Are you qualified for that dream? Yes, I believe I'm ready for that dream. I have solid academic foundation in industrial management and practical experience related to production planning, inventory control, and cost calculation. In addition, I have developed interpersonal teamwork and problem-solving skills that support my readiness to start a career in the PPIC field. And the second question is, what will you do to make it happen? I will continue improving my technical knowledge, developing my skill through real work experience, and maintaining discipline and consistent in my professional growth. Okay guys, that's all about me and my career plan as an engineering graduate. If you want to know more about me, you can contact me with my phone number or you can contact me from email, and you also can visit my LinkedIn. Thank you guys.